Well, welcome back to another episode of How to Skate Transition Learning Laybacks. And today we're going to learn how to do the Layback Air to Layback frontside rock and roll. It's one I don't see done a whole lot, but man, it's one of my favorite ones to do because you don't see it very much. So let's learn how to do this thing. So before you learn this trick, there are a few other tricks you want to learn before this one. The first one, you want to make sure that you know how to drop in on a mini ramp. Second, make sure that you know how to carve front side comfortably on the mini ramp. Third, and the most important step, the best way to do this trick is by wearing one of our new Varsity skate hats. Man, you can pick these up on our web store, www.varsityskate.org. The cool thing about our web store is when you purchase anything from there, all the proceeds go directly back to our nonprofit organization. So when you buy something, you're giving back to help feed skateboarders here in our community in Kansas City. Fourth, you want to make sure that you know how to do a layback rock and roll. And if you haven't learned that one yet, click pause on this video and go back to episode 1 where I teach you how to do a layback rock and roll. It's super fun, and once you learn it, you'll be able to do this one a little bit easier. Fifth, you want to make sure that you can do just a normal layback air first. So after you learn how to do those 5 things, you should be ready to learn how to do a layback air, layback frontside rock and roll. And so the way that you're going to do this, you're going to approach the quarter pipe the exact same way that you would a layback air. You're going to put your hand down, grab that slob position, and on the way up, when you lift up, instead of turning your right shoulder out, you're going to lift up higher and push forward with your front foot. And as soon as you start coming down, you'll feel you smack on the top of the ramp, on top of the deck. And from there, it's just a layback frontside rock and roll in. I think the easiest way to do this is just to practice that you're going to go up the quarter pipe and on top of the deck. If you need to use 2 hands when you first start slamming down on the deck, that's completely okay. Start learning it that way, and then eventually start getting rid of that other hand. So you'll approach the quarter front side, put that hand down, thumb side up, grab that board in that slob position, make sure to scrape your tail on the way up, press forward with your front foot, and then you're going to try to smack the top of the deck as quick as possible. Turn that right shoulder, turn, and go in. Well, if this tutorial helped you, could you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? I'm going to be doing a few more transition tutorials just like this, and I definitely have 2 to 3 more layback tricks that I want to do, and one of them I've never seen anybody else do except me, so make sure you hit subscribe for when that one comes out. And if this tutorial helped you and you're able to learn this, man, comment down below a link to a social, to a photo, to a video of you doing it. I love to be able to see any of those videos. But man, I just had a blast learning doing this. I hope that you guys are enjoying learning laybacks as much as I love doing them. And as always, thanks for hanging. Oh.